Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. So in today's video, as you can already tell by the title of this video, I am going to be doing a hair review. And today the hair I'm going to be reviewing is from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. They did reach out to me and asked me if I was interested in trying out like one of their hairs. So I was like, yeah, why not? So the hair that I chose was so I did choose the Malaysian loose wave. Loose is called the Malaysian loose deep wave. Like loose and then deep wave. That is what it's called. So that is the hair that I decided to go with. And yeah, so the hair came in this box and I already tried to unbox this hair because I just couldn't like wait. I wanted to see what the hair looked like. And so yeah, and I kind of messed up the box, but I'm going to try to put it back and show you what it looks like. So the box looks like this. I hope you guys can see. First off, I have to say that I really love how this is packaged, because if you watch my unboxing and review video that I did like I think last month, a couple months ago, you would see that I was like very disappointed in the way the hair was packaged. So but when I got this particular one, I was like really impressed. Like this is very professionally packaged, as you can see. So that is the number one pros with Beauty Forever hair. The way it is packaged, it is very professionally packaged, and I really love that. The package just have their logo here that says Beauty Forever. I hope you guys can see this. At the back of the package, it just has some of the hair care instructions, like washing the hair with shampoo, how to take care of your hair, putting conditioner, washing your hair only once a week, deep condition once a week, and telling you that frequent blow drying or use of other heat products can stress your hair, which is good. At least if you don't really know how to take care of your hair, you can like follow these instructions and that will help. That is what the package looks like, the front and the back. So now let's open this package and see what is inside. Well, I kind of already saw, but you guys are going to see for the first time, and it's going to be my second time seeing it. So like I said, I've already messed up this box, but this is what the inside of the box looks like. So the hair is inside this box. It also comes with this lashes. So and you get the small booklet here. It just have different pictures of, I guess, people wearing their hair and the different kind of hair textures that on their websites. They also talk about like their returns and exchange and all that. So that is what you get in this little paper here. And in the box also comes the bundles, and that is it. Like I said, I got the Malaysian loose deep wave. So I got a 10-inch closure, and I also got 3 bundles of hair, which is 12, 14 and 16 inches of hair. So I'm going to start with the closure and show you guys what it looks like. So the closure comes in this package, in this what do you call this thing, plastic here. So here is the closure. It is a 4x4 inch closure, which is fine. It has this thing that is used to cover the closure, I guess, to kind of protect it. So this is what it looks like, and I really love the curls on this hair, and it also feels very soft. So this is what it looks like, Malaysian loose deep wave. So let me do this and see. Okay, I do have a few shading from the closure, but it's not much. It's like 3 strands from me running my hands through the closure. Then I'm going to show you guys what the bundles look like. I don't really know which is which. Like I said, I got 3 inches. I think this is the longest bundle. Okay, they all have that net thing. It it all comes with the net thing that is used to cover the hair, which is nice as well. Okay, so this is all the 3 bundles. Okay, so now I can tell which is which. So this is the 16, 14 and 12 inches. So this is what they look like. And like, this curls is really cute. Like, there's something about curly hair that I just love, and this one is actually really beautiful. It is really beautiful, and it is so soft and bouncy. You guys can see that as I'm running my hands through it. So actually I am not getting any shading from the bundles. I only got a few strands from the closure. Yeah, these are the bundles of the hair. Once again, these are the ones I run my hands through, and this one I haven't, so you can kind of see what it looks like. And this is the closure. I am so in love with the curls on this hair. Like, I really love how it looks, and oh my god, I cannot wait to make this hair into a wig. Like, this is going to be a short wig, a short curly wig, which I really wanted. I just really wanted a short curly wig, something I can wear in the summer, not too long. Like, I just love a short curly wig. So guys, let's talk about the shipping with this hair. I did order this hair on July 4th. That was when I placed the order on this hair, and when it shipped, it did say that the hair was going to get to me July 19, which I don't know why it took that long, because usually it was DHL. And was it DHL? I already threw out the pack, like the packaging that came with the hair. So I ordered in July 4, and it said I was going to get the hair in July 19. But however, the hair came July 15th, so 4 days earlier, which is not too bad. So altogether, that was going to be like 2 weeks. Is that up to 2 weeks? Maybe not. Like, my brain is freezing right now, but you guys can do the math. So I would say that the shipping was not really fast as expected, considering the fact that I've ordered hair from other companies in the past, and I've also received hair, and considering how fast they usually come, I would say that this was not really fast as expected. But that's okay, because I wasn't in a hurry or anything. If I was like in a hurry or waiting for the hair, or I needed to use it for something, then I would have been mad. But since I wasn't, I was okay. But I just need you guys to know that it wasn't as fast, at least for me. And it might also depend on where I live. Probably if you live in the US, it will be faster. But as you guys know, I live in Canada, so tend to take a little bit of time before it gets to us here. This hair also, the good thing about this hair is that this hair is really affordable. Like, I stress the really, because it's actually really affordable. For the 3 bundles and the closure, this hair is like $100 US. So if you do the math in Canadian dollars, you should know how much that costs, and then plus the shipping and everything. But put together, everything is not up to $200. So yeah, to me that is a cheap hair right there. Like, it's affordable, not like cheap, but it's affordable. So if any of you is interested in checking out Beauty Forever hair, I'm going to leave the details down in the description box below, so you guys can click on the link and go onto their website, where you are able to like check out their hair, because I'm telling you that they really have affordable hair. And as you can see, it's really good quality. Even though it's affordable, it's really, you know, sometimes you buy like hair that are considered affordable and it's trash, but as you can see, this is affordable. So yeah, so if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave their link in the description box below, so you guys can go there and check out what they have. And for this hair, I'm going to be making it into a wig, as of course you guys know I always make my own wigs. I'm not sure I'm going to show you guys the process of making the hair into a wig, because I already have like videos on my channel showing how I make this, like how I make wigs, and I don't really think anybody is interested in seeing that. But if you are interested in seeing me making this into a wig, why not? I'm going to film it. Just let me know in the description box below. But if not, I'm going to make it into a wig. So what I'll do is I'll come up and show you guys when that is done, what it looks like on me and all that. Once again, Malaysian loose deep wave from Beauty Forever hair on Amazon. I hope I did mention that, because this hair is Beauty Forever on Amazon. Like, I am just in love with the curls and I cannot wait to make this into a wig. So yeah guys, that is it for this hair. Like I said, this is only an initial review. I will definitely do an in-depth review after making this hair into a wig. Then we would be able to tell if this hair actually really shades, because as for right now, I can't really see any shading. There is nothing. So yeah, for right now, it's good. It's good. That's all I can say. But after trying it out, I will definitely come back and let you guys know how the hair is holding up. But that will be it for this video. I hope this video is helpful and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's very, very important. Give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me out, and it also let me know that you guys enjoy watching. Sometimes people watch and forget to click the like button, so please don't forget to click the like button, okay? They all go hand in hand. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.